Here's a few pieces of Koroite material. The material's been wetted. The white is the reflection of the light. Rules in millimetres. It's been semi-finished. Personally, I'd cut it down maybe to that rather than have that great big brown piece of stone. End up with a double-sided stone then. This piece basically just nice pattern, a little bit of blue colour up in here. Bit of green over here showing. Little purple stone in the middle. This has probably been a knife handle or something, and when they were cutting it, it's broken. So the reject bin to be done another day, but I think you'd cut that in half and end up with two stones. One stone, two stone, sorry, second stone that side, a stone that side. It's thick enough to do that quite easily. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that. Cheers.